viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila. In this video, we are going to discuss 5 tips to improve cough after chest infection, especially corona infection. Because as patients are coming back for review, most common we have from patients are dry cough and breathing difficulty. In this video, we'll give some tips for dry cough and also for wet cough. Tip number 1 is drink plenty of fluid. When you take fluid, you take it in small amount frequently rather than gulping it out. Okay, for example, if you need to drink 1 glass of water, you give space and drink. This helps to keep your hydration well and also keeps the moisture content in your throat good. The second tip is steam inhalation. Steam inhalation 2 to 3 times a day. Each time you steam inhale for 10 minutes. And you can use Carval Plus for steam inhalation or plain steam inhalation is good also. This will also help to improve the moisture content and also it melt the phlegm and bring it out. And third tip is sitting and lying position. You sit in a relaxed position, preferably leaning forward or leaning backward. And also while you are lying down, lie in a side. Especially having a high head end would help with breathing difficulty and also cough. The fourth tip is especially for wet cough where there is a phlegm, there are breathing exercise available to bring it out. During the last video we have discussed in detail. The 3 techniques are, first is relaxed breathing, the second one is deep breathing and the third one is forced expiration. That video explains how to do it with explanation. And tip number 5 is, we have been following it for a long time for any cough cold. We can follow it for COVID also. Having honey in warm water and also ginger tea, adding turmeric to the milk, all those things you can still continue. But if you are diabetic, just be cautious with using the honey. So these are the 5 simple tips which will help you to come out of the cough and also improve your sleep. If you like this video, please like, share and also subscribe. Thank you for watching.